We could leave the Christmas lights up till January. This is our place, we make the rules. And there's a dazzling haze, a mysterious way about you, dear. Have I known you 20 seconds or 20 years? Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever? And take me out and take me home. You're my lover. We could let our friends crash in the living room. This is our place, we make the call. And I'm highly suspicious that everyone who sees you wants you. I've loved you 3 summers now, honey, but I want 'em all. Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever? And take me out and take me home forever and ever. You're my lover. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please stand? With every guitar string scar on my hand, I take this magnetic force of a man to be my lover. My heart's been borrowed and yours has been blue. All's well that ends well to end up with you. Swear to be over dramatic and true to my lover. And you'll say all your dirtiest jokes for me. And at every table I'll save you a seat, lover. Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever? Take me out and take me home forever and ever. You're my oh, you're my darling, you're my lover.
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने नैनों के रंग नैना जाने मेरा जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मरंग जग की कोई रीत न जाने मैं तो बस तेरे हुए दीवानी मेरा जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मरंग
And we have a fun-filled afternoon for you guys. So, are you all excited? సరిపోదు ఈ ఎనర్జీ సరిపోదండి నాకు. I know, like we lost the World Cup, but how about the efforts? How much efforts? ఎంత effort పెట్టి ఉంటే మన finals కి ఒక్కసారి అమెరికాలో పుట్టి పెరిగినా కూడా మన సంస్కృతి సాంప్రదాయానికి చక్కగా విలువలనించి ఆప్టిమిజంకి కేర్ ఆఫ్ అడ్రస్ గా ఉంటాడు మన అంజన్. హిస్ నాట్ జస్ట్ కామ్ అండ్ డిసిప్లిన్, హీఈస్ ఆల్సో క్యూట్, స్వీట్, హ్యాండ్సమ్, కూల్, హాట్ అండ్ ఆసమ్. ఇవన్నీ నా మాటలు కాదండోయ్, వాళ్ళ ఆవిడ సత్య చెప్పిన మాటలే. ఇంకో పక్కన మన ఆంధ్ర అమ్మాయి సత్య. తన్ని చూసి కొంతమందేమో నింగిలోని తార అనుకుంటారండి, ఎందుకంటే అలా మిల మెరిసిపోతూ ఉంటుంది. ఇంకొంతమంది ఏమో చంద్రుల్లోని కుందేలేమో అనుకుంటారు, ఎందుకంటే హాయిగా పువ్వులా నవ్వుతూ బోల్డ్ అని కబుర్లు చెప్తూ చల్ల గాలిలాగా హాయిగా తూలుతూ చేనులో పైరులాగా ఆడుతూ పాడుతూ ఉంటుంది. సత్యాకేమో మాట్లాడడం ఇష్టం, అంజన్కి వినటం ఇష్టం. సత్యాకి డాన్స్ చేయడం ఇష్టం, అంజన్కి పాటలు పాడి తన్ని మెచ్చుకోవడం ఇష్టం. సత్యాకి తిరగడం, ట్రావెల్ చేయడం చాలా ఇష్టం, అంజన్కి తిప్పడం ఇష్టం. సత్యాకి డిఫరెంట్ కుజీన్స్ కుక్ చేయడం ఇష్టం, అంజన్కి డిఫరెంట్ టీస్ ఇష్టం. సత్యాకి షాపింగ్ ఇష్టం, అంజన్కి బిల్ పే చేయడం ఇష్టం. సో ప్రాస బాగుందని వాడేశాను, బట్ ఐమ్ జస్ట్ కిడింగ్. ఎనీవే, సో వీళ్ళ ఈ స్టోరీకి నేను ఒక పేరు పెట్టాలి వస్తే అది పడమటి సత్యరాగం. డిసెంబర్ 9th, 2021 కాకినాడలో అంగరంగ వైభవంగా పెళ్లి జరుపుకొని వీసాలు, లాంగ్ వీసా ప్రాసెసింగ్ టైమ్ లైన్స్ వల్ల వాళ్ళు 2 years లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్స్ రిలేషన్షిప్ లో ఉన్నారండి. అయితే దీస్ 2 years this couple has been through it all. Time zone differences, video calls that froze at the worst possible moments, Wi-Fi issues, phones and charges giving up on their life, night outs, daylight savings, and the list goes on and on and on. In the fullness of time, the star couple is finally here in the same time zone and ready to navigate the real life problems like who's gonna put the trash out or what Netflix show are we gonna watch next. So let's all raise our napkins and twirl, and please join me in welcoming our star couple who have conquered distance and time. Cheers to love, laughter and happily ever after. Inta alasya lekunda pilchedam మన star couple అంజన్ and సత్యాని. Satya are here. Okay, so Anjan and Satya, we are all ears now. We want you to say a few words and we want to hear it from you, Anjan, first.
Yeah. Hi guys, welcome. I'm so glad every one of you made it. I want to introduce my wife, Satya. If you haven't met her yet, she's a wonderful character. Outrageous energy, amazing positivity, all these things she's brought to me into my life, and I can't be more thankful to have you as my wife. You know, there's so many things I want to say, but there's not enough time, so I'll leave it as simple as that. I want to thank you all for coming and making this a great event for us on Sunday. I know it was like a little busy with the cricket game and everything, but I'm glad everything worked out. So enjoy yourselves, enjoy the show, and have a blast.
mean, what an incredible sight to see all so many smiling faces at one place. Your presence means a lot to me, and this gathering may turn something extraordinary. And I would like to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to each and everyone, and being a part of my welcome party. Thank you so much. I was so nervous to talk and face everybody here. It's been ages me holding the mic and talking. Sorry, pardon me. And I'm so excited. I didn't expect this crowd today. Thank you so much for coming, and we have fun together. Thank you.
Again, thanks everyone. I'm going to pass it off to the anchor.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సత్య, అస్సలు భయపడాల్సిన పర్లేదు. నువ్వు ఏమనకుండా అలా నవ్వినా కూడా మా అందరికి ఇష్టమే. అవునా కదా? అవునా? ఒక్కసారి అండి గట్టిగా నా పరువు తిక్కండి ఇలాగా ప్లీజ్. ఆల్రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో నెక్స్ట్ we have the most important and also the precious moment. It is a moment of pure love, magic and romance. Yes, most of you guessed it right. The star couple Anjan and Satya are gonna dance for us today. So ఒకసారి మన సపోర్ట్ వాళ్ళందరికీ గట్టిగా చూపించేద్దామా? సరిపోదండి, సరిపోదు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Articulate the feeling I'm going through. I just can't say I don't love you, 'cause I love you. Yeah, it's hard for me to communicate the thoughts that I hold, but tonight I'm gonna let you know. Let me tell the truth. Baby, let me tell the truth. Yeah, you know what I'm thinking. See it in your eyes. You hate that you want me. Hate it when you cry. You're scared to be lonely, especially in the night. I'm scared that I'll miss you. Happens every time. I don't want this feeling. I can't afford love. I try to find reason to pull us apart. It ain't working 'cause you're perfect, and I know that you're worth it. I can't walk away.
Okay, so as the music began, they unfolded the magic, and guys, the love is in the air. Avuna?
Yeah.
Love is in the air, and thank you so much, Anjan and Satya. I know you are tired, and Anjan, of course, you are. Satya lift cheyadam kashtam ani anatledu, but with that dress, yeah. So I request you to please take your seats, and yeah. So ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ మనం గట్టిగా చప్పట్లు కొట్టేస్తే I request our star couple today, Anjan and Satya, to please be seated. Next in our program, I want you to join your hands and hearts to invite our hosts today, Raj Garu and Jyoti Garu, onto the dance floor to share their thoughts on this remarkable day. So I request Raj Garu and Jyoti Garu to come onto this dance floor to share their thoughts.
prepared for anything, so thanks for calling me to talk. Thank you for appreciating that. Thanks for everyone for making it here. Am I too loud? Thanks for everyone for making it here today. I know everyone was busy with cricket and we were freaking out last night because we don't know what time the match is going to finish. And literally I was calling some of my friends and be like, what's happening today? When are you guys coming in? Because everything has been happening since yesterday. But it's really, I know we lost the World Cup, but it's really a pleasure having you all here today. Let's make this a celebration. Thanks for joining us here to welcome Satya. It's just been a great day for us here today. I really don't know what to talk. I'm on the spot. I didn't prepare anything. But let me just take a moment and let me express my sincere appreciation for my daughter-in-law, Satya. Having her here with us really feels like it's been a long wait, you all know, right? Like 2 years of wait since they got married. We've been really trying to engage her, even though she was in India. We kind of kept her busy, not knowing the length of the day, right? Like trying to engage her with art and with Kathak and, kept her so busy so that way the time flies. And also in between, like every 3 months, Anjan flew to India, took her out to trips, like to North India trip, to South India trip, and Dubai, and these guys had a funny time. I wish I was there in that place, so. Yeah. So anyway, thanks for everybody being here again. And again, a little bit of Satya. So let me see, I just wrote something here, a little bit stuff right now on the table. Where the heck is that? Okay, yeah. So, she's, like we all have a dream, right? Like this is how my son should be, this is how my daughter-in-law should be, this is how our life should be. Everybody has the dream, and when that really, when the final dream comes true, you're like, oh my God, did this really happen to me? And that's literally what happened to us when we found her. The first meeting was on Zoom, during the pandemic time, and that's how we met, both the families met. And right that day, we knew she was a perfect fit for our family because we are more fun, jovial, and we just wanted her to be the same way. And that's exactly what she is. Like, she's really fun, jovial, playful, naughty. I can just keep going on. On top of that, she's very talented in art also, like painting, Kathak dance, Bollywood dance. So it goes on. So I don't want to take a lot of time here, but that's really great of her. Today we really missed our my Bavagaru, like her dad and mom and brother couldn't make it because of the visa issues, like they couldn't get the visa in time to come here. But I'm sure they're watching us online right now. So really, Bavagaru, thank you for sending Satya here with us, and we're very happy to have her join our family. Like, now she's our daughter here with us. So thank you very much. And again, everybody just enjoy today's party. Eat a lot of food. This is not just like a reception, but we're going to make it more fun, interactive. We want interaction from you guys so Satya can mingle with everybody here today. And that's the whole idea of this gathering here, welcoming her and mingling her with our family and friends here. All right, thank you very much. And let me say
thank you all for coming. We are so happy that Satya is here, and she's very cute, very, sweet, loving, naughty, we all love her, and she's so sweet, and we are so thankful for the God and for having her. God bless you, both of you, and thank you all for coming. And
a quick note, thank you to my father-in-law, Ambika Prasad, for making it on a very short notice, all the way from India. It's really a pleasure having him here today. In fact, just 2 weeks ago, he said, okay, I'll come. And then a week ago, he pulled his passport and it's expired. And oh my God, I freaked out with that, and he managed it. In 2 days, he got his passport approved. And he's here right now with us, and that's really a lot. Thank you very much for coming and joining us. Lastly, Anjan, I need to say something about you. Anjan has been a very loving, he's on both sides, right? He has the Western kind of the life with his friends, and also religiously, he's very much into our culture, and with, I'm sure you all know that. So I'm very happy that you found Satya, and we are very happy for you both. Have a great journey in life. Find the things in life what you want to do. Enjoy your life. Now, I know we all work, to settle, marry, and all that stuff, but enjoy life more than anything. All right? Thank you, guys.
All right, thank you for that short and sweet speech. Raj Garu and Jyoti Garu, thank you so much. So, as Raj Garu already revealed, we want this entire reception to be interactive, fun and loving, just like their family. So, we have some of the games that are planned for you. Games angane Ay Babu Anakandi. ఇప్పుడు క్రికెట్ ఆడట్లేదు మనం ఎవరం, కాస్ట్యూమ్స్ కూడా సహకరించో. సో ఇట్స్ గonna బి అ ఫన్ గేమ్ అండ్ చాలా ఈజీ అండి గేమ్. అండ్ మీరు మామూలుగా అడగక్కర్లేదు. ఐ హ్యావ్ ఆల్సో సమ్ స్పెషల్ గిఫ్ట్స్ ఫర్ యూ. సో ఎవరికైతే ఆన్సర్ తెలుసో దే గాట్ కమ్ హియర్, గివ్ మీ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ and then they can win a gift. Okay, I'm not even kidding. I have the gifts. I have them hidden somewhere. I'm gonna bring them out. Okay, so first game, I'm gonna keep it really easy and simple. Cinema chustara meer andaru? Do you watch movies? Yeah. Yes, right? So is there anybody in the crowd who does not understand Telugu? A lot of them. Okay, you guys understand Hindi, right? Yeah. Okay, so there are Hindi movie related questions also, so let's do a mix of both. So I would like to start with a simple game, and it is gonna be a Tollywood, which is a Telugu movie, or a Bollywood movie. I'm gonna give you the English translation of the movie name, and whoever knows the answer gotta come here, give the right answer to win the gift. Okay, are we all clear? Can I hear from you once again? Okay, so in general, in my genes, I am really good and nice to people by default. So I'm going to start with easy questions first. Okay, so this is a Telugu movie. Okay, this is a Telugu movie, and the translation of the movie name is The Wealthy Man. The Wealthy Man. So you gotta come here. I told you the rules. You gotta come here. Just make sure you're safe on your way here. You gotta come here, take the mic, get the answer, and then I'm gonna give you a gift. Srimantudu is the right answer. Srimantudu is the right answer. I request you to stay here once. Alright, so Srimantudu is the right answer, Andy. So what is your name? Lavanya Garu. Thank you so much for the participation, and as I said, I'm not kidding. Here is the gift. Thank you so much for coming, and thank you so much for participating. Alright, so another Tollywood movie, and then we'll move on to the Bollywood movie. So another Tollywood movie, and this time I'm going to make it a little tough. So the movie translation is High Tide. High Tide. It's a recent movie. It's a recent movie. Okay, so somebody said that, but I want you to come here and say it. I want you to come here and say it. Okay, okay. Upena is the right answer. Can I have the gift back, please? Alright, so mi peru. Anita Garu, thank you so much for coming, and here is your gift. So Upena is the right answer. Upena. Okay? Alright, so I already heard Hindi people saying, what is this, huh? Just because you are from Andhra, you are being partial to Telugu people. I heard you guys. Okay, so here is a question for you guys. Alright, are you ready? This time, it's going to be a Bollywood movie. The translation is Say There Is Love. Say There Is Love. Okay, somebody knows the answer. Come here, come here. The movie name is Chakkani Stree. Chakkani Stree. Okay, you gotta come here and give me the answer. Chakkani Stree. Pretty woman. Is the right answer. Okay, take this pretty woman. You'll get a gift back. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Alright. So for the Hindi people again. So I hear you guys. I am a player, you're an idiot. I am a player, you are an idiot. Is a Hindi movie. Ladies first, huh? Always. Is the right answer. Okay. Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, so let's get back to the Hollywood movie again. Okay, so this particular question, okay, is very interesting question. I rarely get an answer for this question. Let's try. The Telugu translation of this Hollywood movie, even Hindi people can guess. Telugu translation is Vesham. 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 Vesham is a Hollywood movie. No, I heard the answer, but that's unfortunately is not. But
The mask?
no, no, not the mask, but that's a good try. Vesham. Vesham. I said yes, yes. Mask. No, not the face off. Yes. Oh, okay. Come here. Okay, so this is a rare situation, guys. Avatar is the right answer. All right. So she deserves gift and an applause. So it's not an easy one. So kasarandaru gattiga. All right. So, all right, guys. Thank you so much. Okay. So let's do a sample question and then we'll move on to the actual game. The sample question to you both, for which I or maybe all of us already know the answer. Who talks more? So that's the question, and both of them thinks that's Satya. So that is how the game is gonna roll. So that is the sample, guys. Now let's move on to the actual game, and we're gonna keep it quick. Who was the first to fall in love? Okay, that's sweet. Who is better at planning surprises? Who is better at planning surprises? Okay. Who likes to shop the most? Who keeps room messier? Who takes more time to get ready for outings? Who is likely to dramatize any scene? Who is a bigger party animal? Okay. Who is likely to talk themselves out of a traffic ticket? Okay. You got the right daughter-in-law, Andy. Who says sorry first? Or who is always convincing the other to go out? Okay. Who is ready first or always waiting for the other one? Who is ready first when you plan to go out? Okay. Don't curse me for writing these questions down when you see the video, okay? Who has better taste in music? Who is more organized? Who is more addicted to their phone? Who is there addicted to their phone? Who is more addicted? Who is more of a control freak? Okay. Who is shyer when the whole relationship started? Okay. Who is more likely to start a fight? Start a fight. Okay. Who can't keep a secret? Okay, friends, are you watching this? Okay. Who has more energetic family? Okay, so we are still having the okay. So did you see this? Family from India. Did you see this? Your daughter is already being an American now. all prepared for the wedding. Okay, who can hold their alcohol the best? Who's more spontaneous? The last question, who is always right? Who is always right? Okay, so let's give it up for the star couple here. Anjan, I'm so glad to see you're all ready for this journey together with Satya. This is wonderful. Thank you so much, guys.
It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to Blonde, falling for each other, picking orange skies, feeling super childish. No Donald Glover. Missed call from my mother, like where you at tonight? Got no alibi. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. We were just two lovers, feet up on the dash, driving nowhere fast, burning through the summer. Radio on blast, make the moment last. She got solar power, minutes feel like hours. She knew she was the baddest. Can you even imagine falling like I did for the love of my life? She's got glow on her face, a glorious look in her eyes. My angel of light. I was all alone with the love of my life.
Like, we have a special celebrity today. So before I reveal who it is, I want to ask you this. Do you know this tagline? There's no gift for this question, by the way. Okay? I'm going to say the tagline. You're going to guess what product it is. Okay? Bhagavantuniki Bhaktuniki Anusandhanamainadi. Right? Ambika Darbar Bhakti enta mandiki asalu manaki chinna pillalu adigina cheptaru. So we have none other than Alapati Vajra Ambika Prasad Garu, Anjan's grandfather Jyoti Garu's dad with us here today. So he's the managing director of Ambika Agarbatti Industries, ACP Industries, Ambika Flavors, Ambika Theatres. He's also chairman of Eluru Corporation Urban Bank, vice chairman and executive committee member of Telugu Film Industry Chamber of Commerce. The list of his achievements goes on and on and on. I'm sure out of which his most preferred title would be being Jyoti Garu's dad or Anjan's grandfather. So sir, I request you to come here please onto the dance floor and share with us your insights and heartful words. Thank you.
వెల్కమ్ ఆల్. ఆంధ్రాలో నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడతాను. నేను ఆంధ్రుడిని ఫస్ట్. అంతా మన అందరూ కూడా తెలుగు వాళ్ళమే మ్యాక్సిమం. అందరూ మదర్ టంగ్లో మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. అంబికా దర్బార్ బత్తి సంస్థ 75 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం స్టార్ట్ చేసినటువంటి సంస్థ. మాది కంబైన్డ్ ఫ్యామిలీ, అన్నదమ్ములు నలుగురు, వాళ్ళ పిల్లలు, మా పిల్లలు, వాళ్ళ పిల్లలు, మై గ్రేట్ గ్రాండ్ డాటర్స్, గ్రేట్ గ్రాండ్ సన్స్ ఒకే ఇంట్లో ఒకే కిచెన్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇది మా నాన్నగారు, మా అమ్మగారి యొక్క ఆశీర్వాదం, అంబికాదేవి యొక్క ఆశీర్వాదం, ఆంజనేయ స్వామి ఆశీర్వాదం మాకు ఉండటం వల్ల ఈ రోజున పిల్లలందరూ కూడా గ్రాండ్ సన్స్ మ్యారేజ్ అయినా వచ్చిన కోడళ్ళు కూడా మనవరాళ్ళు కూడా ఎంతో అన్యోన్యంగా ఉండడం అనేది ఒక శుభసూచకం. మా అదృష్టం పిల్లలు కలిసిపోవడం అనేది మా అదృష్టం. అలాగే కుటుంబం అంటే వైఫ్ అండ్ హస్బెండే కాదు, తల్లిదండ్రులు, ఇటుపక్క తల్లిదండ్రులు, అటుపక్క తల్లిదండ్రులు, ఎవరైనా సరే అన్యోన్యంగా ఉంటూ ఒకే ఇంట్లో ఉండటం అనేది ఉమ్మడి కుటుంబం అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడంతా మైక్రో ఫ్యామిలీస్ అయిపోతున్నాయి. అలా కాకుండా ఇప్పుడు మా వియ్యంకుడు గారు గత 2 years బ్యాక్ కాలం చేశారు. ప్రభాకర్ గారు మా హనుమంతరాజా గారి ఫాదరు, మా వేపరాలు ఉన్నారు, వారి కుటుంబం, అలాగే మా అల్లుడు, మా అమ్మాయి కుటుంబం, మా మనవడు, ఇప్పుడు మనవరాలు కుటుంబం, వాళ్ళు కూడా ఒక కుటుంబం, 3 జనరేషన్స్ నుంచి ఒక ఇంట్లో లెక్క. ఇలాగా కలకాలం ఉండాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా, ఏ దేశం వచ్చినా కూడా ఎలా ఉన్నా కూడా అక్కడ పద్ధతులు కాకుండా కలిసిమెలిసి ఉండాలని వాళ్ళని ఆశీర్వదిస్తూ, ఇప్పుడు సత్య కాకినాడ పిల్ల, MBA HR చేసింది అమ్మాయి, చక్కగా చదువుకుంది, HR ఎడ్యుకేషన్ బిజినెస్ జాబ్ చేస్తూ ఉంది. జాబ్ సంబంధం కుదరంగానే చదువు ఆపించేసి కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది వెడ్డింగ్ మీద కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ చేసి, ఇక వచ్చిన తర్వాత మ్యారేజ్ అయిన తర్వాత వీసా కోసం కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ చేస్తూ మొత్తానికి వీసా రాగానే తీసుకొచ్చేసాం, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసింది. చక్కటి పాప, స్ఫూర్తి, షార్ట్ మైండ్, చక్కటి స్మైలింగ్ ఫేసు. మా అంజను ఇద్దరికి కూడా జోడి చక్కటి చిలక కోరికల్లాగా ఆనందంగా సంతోషంగా ఉండాలని వాళ్ళని చూస్తుంటే మాకు కూడా చాలా ముచ్చటగా ఉంది. అది భగవంతుడి ఆశీస్సులు వాళ్ళకి చక్కగా ఉండాలి. అలాగే మంచి కోడలు వచ్చింది మా అల్లుడికి, మా అమ్మాయికి. ఇది వాళ్ళకి ఒకటే కొడుకు చక్కగా మా అమ్మాయి కోడలే కాదు కూతురులాగా చూసుకుంటుందని ఆమె భావన. మా అమ్మాయి కూడా అదే కోరిక, కోడలే నాకు కాదు కూతురు, నాకు ఇంకొక అమ్మాయిని కరమ్మ అని చెప్పి గతంలో చెప్పడం జరిగింది. నాకు వద్దు అని చెప్పింది. పెళ్ళైతే కోడలే కూతురుగా చూసుకుంటానంది. ఆ మాట అందరి ముందు నాకు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. పిల్లలు అలా ఉండాలని అది నాకు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. మనం పిల్లల్ని కంటాం, వాళ్ళ రాతలను మనం కనం, వాళ్ళ భవిష్యత్తు మనం చూస్తాం, వాళ్ళ భవిష్యత్తు ఎలా ఉండాలని మనం కోరుకుంటాం. కానీ వాళ్ళ భవిష్యత్తు ఎలా ఉంటుందో మనకు తెలియదు. వాళ్ళంతా హ్యాపీగా ఉండడం అనేది మన అదృష్టంగా భావించాలి. వాళ్ళందరూ కలిసి ఉండాలి. అలాగే వాళ్ళ భవిష్యత్తు బాగుండాలి, వాళ్ళ పిల్లలు సంతోషంగా ఉండాలి. అలాగే మంచిగా చదువుకోవాలి, ఎదగాలి, సంపాదించుకోవాలి, బిజినెస్ చేయాలి. రకరకాలుగా ఏ వ్యాపారం చేసినా, ఉద్యోగం చేసినా అందరూ కూడా బాగుండాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ, విష్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్, హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ, ఆయుష్మాన్ భవ అందరికీ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. మీలాంటి పెద్దవాళ్ళ దీవెనలే మా పిల్లలకి ఆశీర్వచనాలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. సో నెక్స్ట్ మన ముందరికి ఫ్యాబ్యులస్ స్టన్నింగ్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్తో రాబోతోంది అలౌకిక. సో అలౌకిక, ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ యూ టు కమ్ హియర్ ఆన్ టు ద డాన్స్ ఫ్లోర్.
అమ్మి అమ్మి అంటాంటే నీ పెళ్ళాన్ని పోయినట్టుంది రా సామి, నా సామి. సామి అంటాంటే నా పెళ్ళిటి లెక్క చక్కనుంది రా సామి, నా సామి. నీ ఇరుకే అడిగేస్తాంటే, నీ ఇరుకే అడిగేస్తాంటే ఎక్కడ పోయి ఎక్కినట్టుంది రా సామి. నీ పక్కన కూర్చుంటే పరమేశ్వరుడే తక్కినట్టుంది రా సామి. నువ్వు వెళ్ళే దారి సుత్తా ఉంటే ఎరే ఎక్కినట్టుంది రా సామి.
వచ్చే మారమయ్యా
పెద్దలు వేసిన అక్షతలు దేవుడు పంపిన చింతలు ఇవిలో కుదిరిన చంపలు ఈ చోట కలిసారు ఈ పాటికి
ఆటలు పాటలు వేడుకలు మాటలు మాటలు అల్లరులు తీయని గుట్టుల కానుకలు వెన్నంటి ఉంటాయి వెయ్యేళ్ళకి ప్రారంలో వేడుక చూద్దాం ఈ సీతమ్మని రామయ్యని ఒకటిగా చేసేద్దాం పాడేద్దాం పాడేద్దాం
నవ్వేద్దాం నవ్వేద్దాం
Alright, so if we can get that picture clicked, what an amazing and clean performance. And I'll tell you what the game is. So, I'm gonna ask you guys to get something here, okay? Could be anything. And you people sitting in the audience should make them win. So when I ask for something, you're gonna rush into the audience, get that item for me, get back to your chair here. But by the time you come back, there are gonna be just 9 chairs. And we're gonna keep taking 1 chair out each time. Do you get it? Is the rule clear? Are the rules clear? Audience, if you have your kids here, you gotta make them win. Are you with me? Alright? Okay, to start off with, let's do something easy. Okay? I need a cell phone. I need a cell phone.
Here you go.
Okay, so I need your help in taking the chairs out. Once they run, once they go back, I want the chairs to be out. One at a time. Okay, so, alright, so you've got the phones. Go give them back and come back soon. This is not a game. I'll wait till you come back. Oh, no. I'll tell you when to remove the chair. Okay. So now we got the gist of the game, right? So I'm gonna ask you for some items. You're gonna go run and get that to me. All right? I need a red lipstick. I need a red lipstick. Please remove one of the chairs. Please remove one of the chairs. One of the chairs. Please remove. All right. It's okay. Don't worry. Good effort. Is that the lipstick? It's okay. Who got the green lipstick? Whose lipstick is this? Are you gonna get dressed for a Halloween party? Huh? Okay. Let's stick. Okay, that'll do. Okay, go back, give the lipsticks and come back. Give the lipsticks and come back. Next. I want a $20 note. A $20 note, everyone. Please remove one of the chairs. A $20 note is what I want. A $20 note. Okay, let's see. 20. What is this? Okay. 20. Okay, that's good. Please go give it back and come back soon. make them sit on your lap. Go get somebody and make them sit on your lap. Okay, remove one of the chairs, please. Remove one of the chairs. All right. Okay, so please do get a picture of this. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so next I want any office related item. Any office related item, guys. Go. It could be notebook, it could be anything that is used in the office. It is used in the office. Anything that's used in the office. Office keys, okay? Pen will do. What is that? You don't know? Actually, there are players and there are players like this. He always gets the one which is always different. I asked for $20 note. He gave me $21 notes. Okay? So, okay, pen will do. What is this? The ping pong will do. All right. Thank you. So next, I want. Okay, be quick, guys. Okay, next I want a phone charger.
weeks back. Lunch is not ready. We have few more things to go, and we will announce the lunch when it's ready. Once again, everyone who are outside, please go inside the ballroom to your seats. We will open the lunch after 20 minutes.
We'll let you know once the lunch is being served. So this is still time for the games. So ladies who are back, just got back into the ballroom. If you think you're wearing the longest or the heaviest earrings, I request you to come here onto the dance floor. And we are gonna decide who is wearing the longest earrings today. Okay, so looks like. Okay, so this and here we have, let me see, do you have muzzles on your ears already? They're still building on their bed. Okay, here I think we already have the muzzles. So I think we should give the gift to her because she is bearing so much weight. So, ma'am, what is your name?
Sarada.
Sarada Garu, congratulations and we recognize your efforts. Thank you. Picture of wife in the wallet is gonna get a gift. No, phone, driving license. Trust me, I've seen it all. It will not work. I need a picture, a printed picture of your wife in the wallet. Okay. I know. I'm quite surprised too. Do you have it? Alright, so we have a competition here. You have your wedding picture. Don't make me cry here, please. You have a wedding picture. Can I send my husband to you for lessons? Do you take virtual classes? Thank God. Please show it on the video there. He has his wife's picture in the wedding dress. Can you believe it? Can you guys believe it? Okay.
Both win.
You're making me cry now. That's okay. Give me a minute. I gotta suck up these tears. Okay? And sir, that's a beautiful, beautiful picture. And yes, I see your wife there, so I trust that is your wife. Okay? Alright. So I need one more gift. Do we have one more? Yes. Alright. So, sir, congratulations. Okay. So, sir, congratulations. Yeah. Thanks for making me cry. I'm emotional. We're all impressed. Okay? Please do take virtual classes in the future. I have a potential student for you here.
साथ तेरा है बतेरा पूरा कर जरूरी हूँ और सीओ नहीं आया रास्ता ना दिखलाया दिल हमारा तेरा सहारा ख्वाहिशात अधूरी हूँ सारी न जावा मैं तेनू बुला दिल सारे ता होवे
good luck and all the best, happy married life. So here I am I'm going to tell couple of facts that I know about Anjan and Satya. So please bear with me. Anjan and Satya, they both done their MBA and also most importantly, they are both very talented and hardworking and family-oriented people. They both not only do a lot of charity work but also down-to-earth people. They both have many similarities, both of them love cooking, dancing, but the thing is here dancing, Satya knows dancing, but not Anjan. But Anjan is learning the dancing from Satya. Yeah. So, and Satya is from Kakinada, and not only she is an incredibly dancer, but also a very good artist, where she made a lot of calligraphy and paintings and mandala arts. Anjan is, Anjan does, he's a very good guitarist and making lyrics both classical and western elements. And I saw him both doing even bhajans and as well as western music as well. And also, Anjan is a very quiet man, but when Satya is around, we see him lot talkative. Keep it up, Satya. And two of them has been married for 2 years, and because of visa constraint, Satya couldn't make it to US. In that time, they missed each other a lot. And as a workaround, Anjan made to go to India every 3 months, and they used to go on a trips. Hope Anjan will continue the same trips now as well. Right, Anjan?
Yeah, for sure.
Yes. Satya and Anjan both are great people, and I hope they continue their new chapter and in their married life and grow closer, and they become even better together. Thank you. Sorry, I was nervous a bit, but all I want to say is good luck and all of us and happy marriage.
Thank you.
So now, are you all excited and ready for the dance numbers that are coming up ahead? Yes? Alright, so brace yourselves for this pure moment of unadulterated family fun. So it's time for our hosts of this fabulous celebrations to head the dance floor. So we have Raj Garu, Jyoti Garu, Anjan and Satya coming onto the dance floor to perform to their dance number. So Raj Garu, I'm so sorry. I know you've been threatening about this moment for a while. Finally the moment is here, you gotta dance. Okay? And we are gonna record it. And we are not gonna post it on social media, I promise you.
శివుని కుమారుడవు గణనాథ సిరికి హరికి మనువంట సిరికి హరికి మనువంట బడరే అనరా జనమంత బడరే అనరా జనమంత కల్కల్ మట్టు కంచి కట్టి చిందు కొట్టి జగమంత అదిరే 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 కన్నే అదిరే కుదిరే కుదిరే అన్ని కుదిరే సుది ముదిరే ముదిరే మిర్పాలు మటి చెదిరే చెదిరే సరదాలు సుది ముదిరే ముదిరే మిర్పాలు మటి చెదిరే చెదిరే సరదాలు మొదటి సారిగా ఎదురే ఎంతిగా వయసు వేడిగా నీ బయట మెట్టుపై వాళ్ళంటే పూల బుట్టలో మెరుపు నీ కట్టు పట్టులో తూరింటే తేనె పట్టులా నీ పిలుపే నన్ను పట్టి పడేసిందే పిల్ల నా గుండెలో ఇల్లే కట్టేసినావే నన్ను ముగ్గే పడేసినావే
So Alaukika already performed. She rocked the stage. She's going to be here one more time, rocking the dance floor again, and this time with our Lucky who won the Lucky game. Okay, so Lucky and Alaukika, I request you to come back onto the dance floor and break the dance floor.
हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी, होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी। रायबरेली में तू बीच बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी, होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी। अरे बहन के इतना से बच कहना, तेज हवा से बच के रहना, गिर जाए तो फिर ना कहना झुमका गिरा दे।
What chunga? What chunga? What chunga? What chunga?
రే ఆ గాజువాక కండక్టర్ సాంగ్ వేసుకోండ్రా.
సింపిరి చుట్టదాన్ని శివలి రకన చుట్టదాన్ని సేతి నగ్గి పెట్టేదాన్ని ఉంగరాల మెట్టేదాన్ని నేను టండి టండాడదాన్ని కాదు బాబు పలసరు బైక్ మీద రారు బాబా నేను టండి టండాడదాన్ని కాదు బాబు పలసరు బైక్ మీద రారు బాబా.
ఈ డిచ్చి డిచ్చి కాకుండా మన మ్యూజిక్ ఏమన్నా అబ్బా కడుపు నిండిపోయింది. ఎవరి గురించి మాట్లాడదాం? రెడ్డి గారు లైఫ్ స్పెషల్. శేఖర్ సార్ అబ్బో ఇది బాగా ఏ సర్టిఫికెట్ అవుతాయి ఆడికి అవుతుందా మన ముచ్చటే చెప్పుకున్నాం. 1-2 22 బస్తీల మస్తు కట్అవుట్ బచ్చా గాన్ల బ్యాచ్ ఉండేది వచ్చినమంటే సుట్టు కిక్కే సాలక నైటు ఎక్కి డొక్కు బుల్లెట్ సందుల మందు కోసం ఎత్తుకుతంటే రోడ్డు సిల్కు చీరగట్టుకొని చెడు వీరు మెరిసినట్టు పొట్లం కట్టిన బిర్యానీకి పొట్టు పిల్ల పెట్టినట్టు బంగ్లా మీద నిలుసోనుందిరో ఓ సందమామ సుఖదాగక చక్కరొచ్చెరో చిరువందమ్మావ చిక్క లెక్క దుంకుతుంటెరో ఆ సందమావ చుక్కి జారి చిక్కుకుందిరో నా దిల్లుకు మావ రాములో రాములా నాగం చేసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నా పానం తీసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నాగం చేసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నా పానం తీసిందిరో. तेरे लिए बस गजल तोड़ ताड़ के आया दिल्ली बस गजल तोड़ ताड़ के आया दिल्ली गर्लफ्रेंड छोड़ ताड़ के
तेरी इतना इशारा मुझे बहुत लगे तो मुझको हमारा पाया बहुत लगे
दो नैन सितारे है चांद सा मुखड़ा क्या कहना उसका आफरीन दावत में कैसे वो शाही टुकड़ा उसके जैसी न कोई नाज़नीन शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है
लड़के और लड़के कहाँ से आया है रे तू क्या नाम है शक्ल से बदल का मारा है
పిల్ల పరుగున పోదామా ఏ వైపో జంటగా ఉందామా రా రా కంచే దుంకి చక చక ఉరుకుతూ ఆ రంగుల విల్లును తీసి ఈ వైపు వంతెన వేసి